You know the drill. It's Dollar Tree haul time. Let's not even mess with an intro today. But you guys, look what I found at Dollar Tree. $1. I feel like when we look at items like this, I have to put emphasis on the fact that this was $1. Now, Hobby Lobby has really great glass deals, especially because they run, you know, sales all the time, but I still don't think that we would walk in and find something for $1. And there's decor, there's charm, there's material on here, and for this to have been $1 just honestly blows my mind. I am losing my voice a little bit, so I'm sorry about that. And look at the color of the jars. I love this. Remember when my bedroom used to have an ocean theme? I would have loved to have found this then, and this would look really pretty in a bathroom. I love this jar probably the most. Just something so simple about the clear glass and the little anchor. And I found these, which, oh my god. Oh, how adorable. Look at that, look at him. A little fish. I'm guessing this is kind of like a Scentsy warmer. You would probably put a little tea light there and put your wax melt there. What? Look at his little fins. I absolutely love all the detail. The color choices are again stellar. Odd that this one's gray and not a white, but I still love it nonetheless. Look how cute this is. Love this. $1. I mean, $1. And if that didn't get any cuter for a nautical theme, they also did this. This is gorgeous. If they were selling this at a home decor store, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Ross, Hobby Lobby, I would pay like $5 for each of these. And these are $1. Just absolutely love it. I'm wondering what else is out there because I feel like 2 doesn't necessarily make sense. So I'm guessing that they're gonna have like a 3rd or even a 4th, maybe even a 5th option. So if they do, comment down below, let me know what that image is supposed to be. The next thing is another picture frame. This one really stood out to me because I've never seen this style before. Sorry about the glare. So this whole area here is the picture itself, and it gives you the size, and the frame is very, very thin. Here is the frame, like that is it. I'm so impressed by this. The back, this also feels very sturdy. Some of the Dollar Tree picture frames can feel really weak and flimsy, and this one honestly just feels very sturdy. I feel like this came from IKEA. I grabbed one because I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to get more and do a gallery, but I definitely think I'm gonna have to go pick up 3 more of these. Let's get into some of the beauty spa-like products from Dollar Tree. I have no idea why I picked these up other than, hold on, let me make sure I got them all. Yeah, I do. I picked up some fashion nails. I don't typically even paint my nails, let alone go get acrylic nails, but something about these patterns I had to. What? Look how pretty they are. And they had a lot to choose from. This has the Dollar Tree logo on here, so that is really interesting, and they had a lot of other patterns to choose from, you guys. It was like a whole new shipment had come into my store. This one is my favorite. I love the little detailed, this is probably what, there's 4 of those, so I don't know what those would be on my fingernails. My fingernails are actually kind of small, but I just love these, and it says glue not included, so you would need glue to adhere these to your fingernails, and it gives you the instructions on the back. This I am most excited about. This is definitely new in my opinion. I have not seen these at my stores, but it is really interesting because I see some of your comments where you're like, that was out at my store last year. So that's interesting concept, you know, on how that happens at Dollar Tree. But look what I found. these are foot masks. I love the packaging, by the way. I love the 2 different colors. So the green is moisturizing and the red is exfoliating. This came from Global Beauty, but this is a brand that has been consistently sold at Dollar Tree for quite some time. This brand right here. And it's pretty thick. So I'm wondering how many uses you get out of here. Is it just 1 use? Peels away calluses and dead skin cells, exfoliates and moisturizes. It's convenient wearable mask socks. Oh, you get 1 pair. So you get 1 mask per package. And then the Color Mates brand, which again is at Dollar Tree every time I go. It is a makeup brand that I've seen, and I don't know where else this is sold. So if you know, comment down below, because it doesn't have Dollar Tree stamped on here. So it comes from somewhere else, and it does say cruelty free. So just pointing that out. And these are eyeshadow palettes, you guys. This one is called Garden Party. It's really beautiful. You get some neutrals and then some bright, these are like purplies and brown, or blue. Flower Bouquet, which I really like these colors right here. Island Oasis. Sorry for the glare. And Tropical Fusion. LA Colors is probably my favorite makeup brand that's carried at Dollar Tree. And in my last haul, I showed you guys the body shimmer, and I'll link that video down below for you guys. You have to check out that product. I'm about to test them all. I think I might swatch them on Instagram, so I'll leave my Instagram here for you in case you want to follow those swatches. I found some face primer, and I got every single one that they have. And each color serves a very specific purpose. So this one is yellow, and it'll go through all of the things that yellow tends to correct. And so yellow corrects dullness. So that is what yellow is for. Here is the green, and green is a neutralizer. It tells you that right there. Looks like a good amount of product for $1. The clear minimizes pores, so I feel like this is just a true primer. And the cool pink brightens complexion, and the peach neutralizes dark spots. So this one's going to be good under the eyes if you have dark under eyes like I do. All right, now we're into my last bag, but there's so much in here and I'm so excited. Oh, I can't wait for you guys to see this. Let's start off with some more recipe books. Oh my gosh, these are really cute. I love these, and I'm obsessed with collecting recipe books from Dollar Tree. So this one is all about burgers, and it's just no thrills or frills. It's not a huge recipe book. So I feel like $1 is a good deal for this. It does have the Greenbrier tag on here, which blew me away. Had no idea that Dollar Tree was putting out their own recipe books. What? So again, this one is all things burgers. Oh, and it shows you all of the other cookbooks as well. But I didn't find any of these other on this sheet. It has appetizers, chicken soups, cookie, and veggies. And I didn't find any of those. I just found burgers. Here is this one, simple salads. But this one does not have the Greenbrier tag, which is odd because they both have the same, where is it? Right there. They both have the same text, foods we love, and this one says foods we love. So that's interesting. I'm just pointing that out. I have no idea what that's all about. I love the layout of this recipe. I love the one big picture next to the recipe. I have to have pictures. I don't like cookbooks that don't have pictures. This one is also does not have the Dollar Tree logo on here, which probably makes sense because none of these books are on this picture. And this one is a smoothie one. So this one is probably my favorite. I'm really excited to try this one. I am going to do a flip through of these recipes at the end of this video. I'm not going to include this here in case you just don't want to see that. But if you're interested to see a flip through, it's going to be tacked at the end of this video. So we looked at the salads, and the very last one is Spectacular Grilling. Again, no Dollar Tree brand. It just says kappabooks.com right here. And Spectacular Grilling shows you some of the images that are probably in here. I found some new gift bags, and I don't know why I got these because I don't know anyone that's having a baby, but you guys know my thing with gift bags, so I'm not even going to justify it. But look how cute these are. These are the best baby shower type of bags I have seen. There was a time when I did go to Dollar Tree to get a gift bag for a baby boy, and they didn't really have anything cute to choose from. And then when my niece was born, they really didn't have anything that cute to choose from either. And now they have these, and I'm just like, really? Where were these when I needed it? This one is so adorable. I just love pastel and baby shower colors. They're just so pleasing to the eye and really soft. The back is completely plain. There's no detail to it. The front has the touches of glitter, if you can see that. The side is pretty plain as well. This one is really sweet. You Are My Sunshine. I feel like this could pass for anything. I could even put something like this as just a random gift for my daughter, not a holiday, just, you know, here's just a gift kind of thing. And this would be a cute bag to put that in. I love the side. That's really cool. And the tag matches the side. This bag I really love. I feel like it would be beautiful to make a planner cover out of this. It's very springtime. I love the bold, rough strokes of these flowers. It's just really pretty in my opinion. And the side just is a continuation of the image. Then I found these, and there was actually, so pretty. There was actually a fourth color. It was like a lime green, and I just did not like that. And I actually mentioned that in my green series where I haul things from Dollar Tree of a specific color. I'll link all of those colors down below for you. And the last color I did was green, and I mentioned in there, green is about the only shade in the rainbow where there are some shades in the green family that I'm not a fan of. So that's why I didn't pick that one up, because I just knew I'm not attracted to like a lime green color. And I preferred these. They're really beautiful. It has a really interesting texture to these. I love these bags, so I'm glad I have them for my collection. And then I picked up yet another composition notebook. I love picking these up, and I just love the watercolor ombre-ish effect that they did on this one. And the very last thing we're gonna look at in today's haul, have you ever seen me haul this many notepads at one given point in time? Like, look at this. This is crazy. This is absolutely nuts. And by the way, they're my favorite. They're my favorite notepad prints that Dollar Tree has ever put out. Each and every single one of them is just stellar. Here is the first one. So all of them have the magnets. This is interesting how they did them so far apart. Usually it's like one thick magnet. That's at least how Jot has done these in the past. So that is definitely different. Maybe it is a better method of dispersing the, I don't know, the weight of the notepad on wherever you place it on your fridge or whatever. I don't know what I'm saying, if that makes any sense. Anyway, these are notepads. They all have the magnet, and this one has a little grocery baking milk theme, and then you have one little cupcake here at the bottom that has what looks like basil. I don't really know what that's supposed to be there. This one says Dream Big and has a lavender theme with some little crystals here. This one says Be Kind, and oh, it's so charming and adorable. Has an outdoor theme. I love the cute little trees. It says Be Kind, which always reminds me of the Cinderella movie. I love this. This one is just very girly, très chic. Love that. And then you get the little black scalloped banner there. It's very French-like. I really love this one. Just to show you guys, same thing on the back. And you get 50 sheets, by the way. 50 sheets are in each of these. This one just kind of reminds me of Tetris a little bit. Thumbs up if you used to play that game or you were obsessed with that game. But this one is very vintagey to me. It has a, I don't know, I just think of 50s when I see this. With the apple pie and the cherries. It's supposed to be cherry pie, actually. Cherries up here at the top and the really pretty print at the bottom. This is one of my favorites. This one has a little lollipop theme. You can see right there in the corner. And then it has the matching patterns that they used in the lollipops in this banner, or maybe not the patterns, but the same colors. This one has a farmhouse feel to it. I feel like so many of you are going to love this one, and rightly so, because it's really cute. Farm to table. You've got some herbs hanging there, and some veggies, and a rooster. Farm to table. I love this one. This one's adorable. Good job, Dollar Tree. Really, this is a message going out to Dollar Tree. I would love to be in the process of creating these images, whoever's doing that. Or if you're buying it from somebody and they're selling their images to you and you're just putting your label on it, like, can I just be in the meeting? That's all I want to do. I just want to see these images before they go to print and before it gets distributed out. I just want first looks. This one I love, has the little donuts, but it's like half of the donut and it trims the edge. It's really different from some of the donut things that we've seen. Enjoy the little things. I love the color combo. And my favorite, oh my gosh, the best one. What? If you watch Dollar Tree hauls, I'm pretty positive you've probably seen this, and I'm like way behind. I don't even know when this came out, but this is Dollar Tree. Stop. Oh, I could sit here for 5 minutes and just be in this position so that we could look at this for 5 minutes straight. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am dead serious at Dollar Tree right now. If you want to include me in some afternoon meetings on these designs that you're doing, I'm available. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I mean, I don't think one meeting would honestly suffice. I think I would need to just work for them in general to help curb my obsession.